Okay guys, today I have some object. I have a trash bin or trash can, and let me show you the picture. Okay, this one. So today we will make it this object, okay? Sorry, this one. And let's follow me. Okay guys, first of all, we have to make it the square. Actually, this we make it with my own measurement. Okay, so let's just follow me guys. If you have your own measurement, it's okay, no problem. In this video, I will make it with my own measurement, okay? Okay, like that. And let's go to the bottom. Make it an offset line to the up about -30. And make it the scales on this orange line. Okay. In the center. 80 and 80. And extrude to the up. The radius is about 5. Like that. And okay. You see? So let's just fillet the edge. This one. Make it about radius 10 and enter. Okay. Let's go to the up size or top face. Press L on his face and make it offset about 5. Enter. And let's just extrude, okay? Like that. To the down and going about -20, okay? Enter. Okay. And I want to make it this one. Okay, so this one is between trash can or trash bin is trash can is rounded the shape, and the trash bin is square shape. Okay. Yeah, I think you guys already know. Make this space and press L. Make it the sketch like this. This thing. Okay. And connect it. Like that. And find the center. Make it up. Find about 50. And make it triangle guys. It's connected and connected. And we have to trim this one. Okay, and let's go to the fillet. Fillet the edge about 5 radius. 5 also. And 5 also. And finish it. Let's go to extrude. Extrude. And like that. And don't forget to use the sides. Okay. Like that. And the operation is doing okay. And okay. And I'm extrude more. Little bit. Okay. This is enough. And I want to use a press tool for this space. Yeah, I think 5 is enough. And the other one, the other side, 5 also. Okay, simple. Okay, let's do make it the whole. Okay, this one, okay. You can use a offset plane from the bottom, and you drag to the up like this, and okay, just click the orange plane, click and press L, and automatically make it the center rectangle on the center, like that, like that, okay, and extrude to cut it, cut about, yeah, minus 150, this is okay. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay. So I wanna just make it extra for this space. That's too much. I understand. Okay. Simple and easy. Okay, let's go to make it the lid for the trash bin. Make it this first. Okay. Find the circle symbol and make it 5 circle millimeters, and make it extra about 8 is enough, and also make it on the other face. Don't forget to find the circle symbol, and the circle is 5 diameters. Extra 8, okay. And I want to make it display this to the components. Okay, I'm going from parent. Okay. And the last one, we make it the lid. You can make it like this guys. Just click this face. Okay. And press E. Extrude. Okay. Pull it and make it to side. And pull it again. Okay, like that. And the operation is new component. Okay. Okay, you can just name it this trash bin, and this is the lid. The trash bin, you can just turn off the trash bin and turn on the lid. Okay, like that. So let's just extrude the lid until he gets the tolerance about maybe about 1 millimeters. Okay. Okay, and also his face, like, okay. And the last one, you can just turn off the trash bin and make it the lid. Okay, you can use offset -5 and make it line like this, and also on this side like that, and just get rid of that. Okay, and cut it. Okay, alright, and just make it this one. I wanna fix it. Make it the cylinder size is 5, and another circle about 7, and just extrude this face, okay, on the bottom with only 10. Understand? Okay, and make it also on this face. Okay, 5 circle, and the last one is carbon. Okay, and just only make this face and extrude about -10. Okay, you see? So what I'm gonna do is drawing. I make it the movement or the animation. So I just move it to the up and okay. And I start to drawing. Delete on the bodies of the trashbin. Okay, just click this one and then click this one. Like that. Okay. You can move it a little bit. Okay, this one. Okay. And the motion is also very fluid, okay? So we can just make it the animation like that. I make it the minimum and maximum. And check it. Check it again. Yeah, I think that's enough for the movement or the animation and okay. You see guys? Display it. Yeah. Very simple to make it a trash bin. So I'm gonna give a color for this trash bin, like the picture is a green. So I just find green for the colors. Also green for them. You can just find on the paint folder and I will just glossy and green, okay. All of them. Nice. Okay, that's enough to make it a color. And close it. And last one, I will give the symbol, recycle symbol. So I just insert. And I already have a picture for that symbol. Okay, I just screenshot and just take it with the color, okay. And you can choose the space. I choose this one and you can just set in the size, okay, like that. Okay, and you can just enter. It's already have the symbol recycle. If you guys to make it a trash bin in under 10 minutes, I think. Or you can make it a section analysis to look the section. Yeah, like that. And yes, and on. Play it again. Animation. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope you like it and I will see you on the next video, okay? Bye bye.